What if your business ran itself while you slept? Emails sent, spreadsheets updated, team notified, all without you lifting a finger. That is not fantasy. That is Zapier. And today, I am showing you exactly how to set it up. Step by step, from zero. No coding, no tech background, just results. Let's get into it. In this tutorial, I am going to show you what Zapier is, how it works, and then walk you through building 2 real automations from scratch. I will also cover practical use cases you can steal for your own work and the beginner mistakes you need to avoid. Even if you have never automated anything in your life, you will walk away from this video ready to build your own. Let's start. Think about your daily routine. You copy data between apps. You send the same follow-up emails. You move files around manually. You post content on different platforms one by one. None of these tasks are difficult, but they add up. 2, 3, even 4 hours a day. Gone. Automation fixes that. You set up a rule once. When this happens, do that, and it runs forever. Automatically, without you. That is what Zapier does, and that is why it is one of the most valuable skills you can learn right now. Companies want people who can automate. Freelancers charge premium rates to build these workflows. And for your own life, it is a complete game changer. Zapier is the most popular automation platform in the world. It connects over 6,000 apps. Google Workspace, Slack, Shopify, HubSpot, Notion, Trello, and thousands more. The way it works is simple. You create what Zapier calls a Zap. Every Zap has 2 parts: a trigger, the event that starts it, and an action, what happens next. You can chain multiple actions together for bigger workflows. For example, someone fills out a form. That is the trigger. Their data gets saved to a spreadsheet and you get an email notification. Those are the actions. 1 trigger, multiple actions, 0 manual work. The interface walks you through everything with prompts and drop-downs. You can have a working automation running in under 10 minutes. And yes, there is a free plan, so you can start learning without paying anything. Now let me show you how it actually works. Here is what we are building. Whenever someone submits a Google form, their response gets automatically saved into a Google Sheet, and you receive an email notification in Gmail. This is perfect for contact forms, lead capture, registrations, anything where people submit information to you. Step 1. Go to Zapier.com and create a free account. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard. Click the orange button that says Create Zap. This opens the Zap editor where you will build your entire automation. Step 2. Set up your trigger. You will see a trigger box on the screen. Click on it and a search bar will appear. Type Google Forms and select it from the list. Now Zapier will ask you to choose a trigger event. Select New Form Response. Next, it will ask you to connect your Google account. Click Sign In and authorize the connection. Once connected, Zapier will show a drop-down of all your Google Forms. Pick the one you want to monitor. Click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent form response to confirm the connection is working. You should see the actual data from a real submission. If you see it, you are good. Move on. Step 3. Add your first action, Google Sheets. Click the plus button below your trigger to add an action step. Search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose the action called Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google account again if prompted. Now select the specific spreadsheet in the Sheet tab where you want the data to land. Zapier will display the column headers from your sheet. This is where you map your form fields to your spreadsheet columns. Click into the Name column field and you will see a drop-down showing all the data from your Google Form trigger. Select the Name field. Do the same for email, phone, message, or whatever fields your form collects. Each column gets matched to the right piece of form data. Click Test Action and check your spreadsheet. You should see a new row with the test data. Step 4. Add your second action, Gmail notification. Click the plus button again. Search for Gmail and select Send Email. Connect your Gmail account. In the To field, type your own email address. In the subject line, type something like New Form Submission. Now in the body field, click into it and use the drop-down to pull in dynamic data from the form. You can write something like new submission from, and then insert the name field, followed by email, and insert the email field. This means every notification you receive will contain the actual details of the person who submitted the form. Click Test Action and check your inbox. Step 5. Click Publish. Turn your Zap on. Done. From now on, every single form submission is automatically logged in your spreadsheet and you get an instant email. 24/7, without you doing anything. Here are 4 automations people are using every day with Zapier. First, lead management. Someone fills out a form on your website. Their info goes into a CRM like HubSpot, they get a welcome email, and your sales team gets a Slack notification. All automatic. Second, content distribution. You publish a blog post. A Zap cross-posts a summary to Twitter, LinkedIn, and sends a newsletter through MailChimp. One post, everywhere, instantly. Third, e-commerce. A new Shopify order comes in. The details get logged in Google Sheets, an invoice goes to the customer, and your fulfillment team gets notified. Fourth, team updates. Someone creates a task in Trello or Asana. The whole team gets a Slack message instantly. No one misses anything. You can build all of these with what you learned today. 4 quick ones. 1. Connecting the wrong account. Double-check you are linking the right Google account and the right spreadsheet. This is the #1 reason automations break. 2. Skipping the test step. Always test before you publish. Untested Zaps can send wrong data or duplicate entries. 3. Overbuilding too fast. Start with 2-step Zaps, get comfortable, then add complexity. 4. Ignoring error alerts. Zapier notifies you when something fails. Do not ignore it. A broken automation running silently is worse than no automation at all. Quick recap. You now know what Zapier is and how it works. You built 2 real automations from scratch. You have real-world use cases ready to go. And you know the mistakes to avoid. Automation is not just a tool, it is a mindset. Once you start thinking in triggers and actions, you will see opportunities everywhere. Every hour you save is an hour you can spend on work that actually matters. If this helped, hit the like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly tutorials. Next video, I am showing you how to use AI inside your Zapier automations to make them even smarter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.